Some vessels make an argument. The Fly 82 makes a complete one, and it is worth listening to carefully. I'm Celeste with Minted Yachts. This is Fabio Fantolino's third interior for Azimut's Fly series. By this point, the conversation between designer and builder has reached a fluency, and the Fly 82 is where that fluency becomes visible. The saloon is organized around a round dining table set against a bronze glass wall. That combination, the circular form, the reflective plane behind it, is a compositional decision about how people gather aboard. Not how many, but how. The floor-to-ceiling windows running the length of the main deck are not a feature. They are a position on what natural light is owed to an interior of this proportion. The palette holds a careful tension between matte and reflective, warm textile against cooler surfaces, with a deep orange-brown accent threading through as the singular chromatic signature. Fantolino's restraint is most evident. In what the accent does not do, it punctuates rather than dominates. Above, the Flybridge reaches this scale because the designers trusted a lighter material in the upper structure. Carbon lamination in the superstructure reduced mass by roughly 30%, a decision that freed the geometry overhead without unsettling the hull's composure underway. At the stern, the cockpit opens directly to the water. The threshold between vessel and sea is left deliberately undefined. That permeability in 81 feet 4 inches is the most considered gesture on the boat. Full specifications for the Azimut Fly 82 are at yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Celeste. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.